I'm Lee Shen from Product Marketing at Sinch, and today I'll show you how you can keep your field service teams and customers in the loop with automated SMS in NetSuite. Let's say I run a solar panel business. Every year I need to conduct maintenance for my customers, but with a long list of customers, it's easy for things to slip and my customers end up being left in the dark. I can set up a saved search that filters for all systems due for their annual maintenance this month. And from there, I can build a simple workflow that sends an SMS reminder for the last Monday of the month at 9 a.m. So my customers know exactly when their systems need a checkup. And here is what the customer sees. So Sinch is the only SMS solution built directly into NetSuite. No workarounds and no extra tools required. Install our app today.